Hey guys, it's Sarah and Ryan, and we're up here at our property this weekend. My sister took our kids, so we get to be kid-free, so we can take advantage of this time and get a ton done. So what happened recently at our property?
We had a contractor come up. The phone's resting on his machine right now. He took down a bunch of trees, huge amount of trees. We'll give you a little tour here in a second.
There's the machine that the contractor has been working on to clear the property. Bunch of brush that we have down. We need to burn all that up. It's gonna be a bit of a pain, but we'll get through it. Hey, Sarah. So walking over this way, this is heading south, and this is gonna be the build site. Another couple of piles, some trees that we took down. So, and then I'll come up here and I'll turn around so you can see the kind of view that we'll have when the site is finished. We're going to take down those 2 or 3 trees to get a better view. So there is the tour.
But getting ready for the site, to clear the site, and then which resulted in another problem. We have a ton of brush that is in burn piles, so we're
gonna pile up some trees and get rid of them on our little road that was made behind where our shed's gonna go, and then we'll hopefully get to burn a little burn pile today, and that'll be kind of fun.
And we have a bunch of logs cut up. Did we say that?
Oh, yeah, well, that's why I didn't know if you said that.
Oh,
okay.
Yeah, we got a bunch of logs we're gonna cut up and turn into firewood. So, and I got a new tool that's really awesome that I'm excited to share with you.
Yeah, so we'll do a little demo of the tool, hopefully. And he said even I can move really big logs then, so that'll be exciting.
The power of leverage.
Yeah.
Even a wee lady like you.
I'm just a wee lady. Okay, I think that's it.
All right. Weekend.
Yeah, it was a busy one day that we had up here. What all did we do?
Winterize the trailer, so
Yep.
it's all, lines are all blown out, so it won't freeze. We winterized the well, connected the compressor, so we should be all good for winter freeze. We might come up like once or twice during the winter, but we won't need the well.
Yeah, we make it I guess we're dry camping when we do that. So, and we went through a giant pile of trees and turned them all into kind of firewood. We'll still have to split them.
Got them covered. Sarah used the maul.
I used the splitting maul for the first time.
Very proud of her.
I'm convincing him that I probably should chainsaw next time. So,
yeah.
I think that's it.
And then what do we have coming up? We're about to pull the trigger on putting our down payment on the cabin, and then we'll get plans, which means then we can start the building permit process and have the site dug out.
Yep.
And then once that happens, we can get the foundation poured
Mm-hmm.
and be all ready for the cabin when it comes here in spring.
Yeah,
So,
we talked to our neighbor, and he took out one of our huge stumps to one of our trees, and he said that we should kind of be cautious about that and make because it loosened up the ground a lot. So we're gonna have the guy who digs it out go over it once and then let it sit all winter and then go over it again in the
compact
spring.
it, maybe bring in some rock.
So that delays us on doing our foundation, but that's okay because we'll still get our foundation done before the kit comes to us in June is what we're hoping for now.
Yep.
So that's it. It
Yep,
was a good weekend.
Yep, that's our update.
Now home to get the kids. Remember to like and subscribe us here on 1 Foot Off the Grid.